Hey guys, Chris and Boomer here live in the Dream Giveaway Garage.
Hi everybody, happy Monday.
Happy Monday, beautiful day here in Florida.
Yes it is.
Yeah, indeed. Hey, did you guys see what we launched yesterday? Brand new Dream Giveaway. We've been giving you hints for a month.
And I told you it was going to be electric.
That's what you told them, and it is. 778 horsepower, 920 foot-pounds of torque, quicker than a Mustang, quicker than a Corvette, quicker than
just about anything out there right now. Yeah, I mean, this is a 2021 Tesla Model S. Okay,
what it is.
Similar to the Model S we gave away, I think, last year.
2 years ago.
2 years ago. This one has a few of the upgrades on it. This does have Ludicrous Plus mode on it. It is a dual drive motor car. Obviously, the beautiful red on this car. I love the color with the white interior.
Oh yeah, come on,
absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, so, red multi-coat.
Yeah,
$2,500 extra cost on that paint, by the way.
As you can see, everything's blacked out on this car. We did a blackout kit on it. We're going to replace some of this with carbon fiber. But, I mean, look at the interior of this car. It is absolutely beautiful.
Oh, yeah. It does remind me of that first Model S that we gave away a couple of years ago. And that was so much fun. You guys have been asking us to give away a Model S. And so we're doing it. Started yesterday, the Tesla Dream giveaway for 2021 grand prize. You're looking at it right here. Plus, we're going to pay the taxes. And we were playing around before we went live here. And I got to tell you, you should never blow your own horn. So in this case, you guys got to check out the Tesla's horn. You want to show them?
Yeah, we've talked to, for those who've seen the videos with us about the, this thing has what's called in it a toy box. So when you go over here,
I'm going to come sit down.
Yeah, here we go. Let me get my glasses out here just so I'm not squinting at the screen.
Carlos says, let me see that V8.
Yeah, I'll show it to you here in a minute.
Wow, you could have had a V8.
Oops, there we go. So you hit the little button right here, and then it says toy box over here in the corner, and it brings up the toy box. So here's your toy box. Right there, I hope you can see all that. So you got boom box, emissions, tracks, romance, sketch pad. There's your ludicrous mode, your vision of Mars. There's a Santa one, a Rainbow Road, and then the submarine one that actually sets your, if you're a James Bond fan, it sets the settings on your suspension, which are very high, standard, and low, to the James Bond submarine. I believe that was a Lotus that he turned into that submarine. It's right there. And beautiful car.
That's right. That was Octopussy, if I remember.
Yes, it was. So we can turn that on.
Dive.
So when we turn that on and we go back over here and we go to suspension now, there it is. Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, we did put a lowering kit on this car, so it does sit about an inch lower in low mode.
But not 20,000 leagues low.
It's 20,001 leagues actually. Yes. So there you go. And these are all your settings. We'll go over this at another time, but let me go back to the toy box here. One of the really cool things, we'll go through a lot of this, is we were playing around here earlier, and let me show you this. This is called Boom Box. So what this allows you to do is set different sounds for your car. So when it's got a sound for driving, it's got a sound when you summon your car, because you can summon your car and it will come to you. It will play music as it's coming to you. But let me show you this thing about the horn. So we've got the horn right now set to La Cucaracha. So if you blow the horn,
show it.
Yeah. But when you go into the menu there, you've got a whole long list of everything. You can play ta-da, you can have applause. They've got an old horn, like an Auga horn from old cars. There's a sound that sounds like a goat.
Well, let's hit that.
The goat?
But not a GTO.
Okay, so oh, that's not it. Hit the wrong one. There we go. So there's the goat, and press the horn.
Let me try that.
This car is absolutely crazy. There we go. And of course, if you hit romance, it'll bring up a fire screen, and then it will play music. So it's we've shown you this before. Give it a second. It starts making fire noises, so it's crackling. It used to play Barry White. I'm not sure what this one's going to
Oh
play.
man, I can almost warm my hands.
There
on
you
this.
go. I mean, on a cold day, you could sit right here and just listen to it. Let's see what we got. Usually the music will kick in here in a minute. I don't know if it will or not. But yeah, I mean, you can see the inside. You got nice carbon fiber in here. Just a beautiful car. Oh, there it goes.
Oh yeah. Quiet storm, they call it.
There we go. Okay, there we go. Very nice.
You guys got it. You know you guys want to put this amazing 778 horsepower Tesla in your garage. You know how to get your entries. Get over to www.dreamgiveaway.com. Use promo code Facebook Live. You're going to get bonus tickets. Today is day 2 of this giveaway.
Yeah. I mean, this is an absolutely stunning car with the black carpet, the white interior, the red exterior. The features on this thing are amazing. If you've never heard the radio in one of these Teslas, it is top notch. This one has, I think, on a standard charge in chill mode, I think you can go like 340 miles. This is where you control all this stuff on another screen, but I'm gonna open the front trunk for you and show you where the engine was
where the engine was
on these cars back in the day. You know?
Okay.
So
the frunk is now open.
Yeah, this is now. So you've got storage up here. It's not a huge storage, but it's there. All of this is literally there's a battery right under here. It's your accessory battery that runs everything, all your accessories for your car. And then underneath there, it's just all open. There's nothing really there. Your power steering is up under there, and your power steering is all electric. Your drive motor sits in the middle up here. Your air conditioning controls are down there. The brake, all the controls for your anti-lock system are down there. Really cool. Cool features. I mean, we've got a lot more to talk about on this car. We won't do it all today, but we wanted to give you kind of the look at the new Tesla and kind of show you what it was like. I love the color. Let us know what you think about the color. I think it's gorgeous.
Carlos wants to know when the winner will be announced.
It started yesterday.
So you didn't put the sticker there yet, but
Yeah.
let's see, if we started in March, that means it runs through January of 2022, and we'll be drawing the winner around mid-February of 2022.
Yep.
Any other questions from you guys out there about our newest giveaway, the Tesla Dream Giveaway? Grand prize here, not just a Tesla, but $100,000 Tesla.
Oh yeah, these cars are not cheap. There's a lot of technology here, and we'll be going through that with all you guys here in the future. But yeah, I mean, you get a lot of car for $100,000. I mean, you know, this is now comparable to an A8 Audi.
Oh yeah.
Or a 5 Series Mercedes, I would say. The amenities are really there, and the driving experience is there.
Chase says awesome. He's already bought tickets and he hopes to meet us someday.
Yeah. We hope to meet you someday too.
Well, I'll tell you, now that we're on that subject, thank you for reminding me, Trey. We are going to be at the Gator Nats in Gainesville starting on Friday morning. So the Dream Giveaway crew is going to be out there. I'll be there. Lori will be there. I think Trish will be there. We're going to be there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday all day for the Gator Nationals, all 3 days. We're going to have a booth out there on the Midway. If you're going to be at the Gator Nationals or you're going to be somewhere in, I guess that's north central Florida or northeastern Florida, come by and see us. You know, we'd love to talk to you. I think we're going to have the Hellcat out there. Lexi, yes, we are going to have the Hellcat at the Gator Nationals. We're also going to have the beautiful 2020 Denali big diesel truck out there as well. So we're looking forward to seeing you guys. Come by and talk to us.
That's right. See you guys at the Gator Nationals this weekend. And on Thursday of this week, you guys got to tune in at 1 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern, still standard time. Got a couple more days left on that. 1 p.m., what are we giving away?
We're giving away the Subaru S209.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's going to be a big week here in the Dream Giveaway Garage. Subi winner on Thursday. Gator Nats this weekend. Tesla just started yesterday. Going to be a great week.
It is. It's always a great week here in Dream Giveaway Garage.
There you go. We'll see you next time. More great fun, more great action, more great grand prizes like this Tesla Model S. It only happens here live in the Dream Giveaway Garage.
See you next time.